Just wanted to make this quick video for all of those who have this keypad. I'm pretty sure the other keypads are very similar. This is what it looks like when it's taken apart. It takes this battery. This is the old battery, 2032 3-volt battery. It faces up. This is the back of the keypad. It faces upward, which means this way up. Just put it down in there. Snap it in place, and then you snap the two together. I can try to do it with one hand, but that's pretty much it. Let me see. It should snap together kind of easy. If it's not, then something may not be lined up. You don't want to force it. So I'm gonna take it back off. Make sure everything's in place. Everything's in place. I'll flip it over on its back, and I'm gonna snap it down on the back side. You can see it snap right in place. You all know that's where the key goes. Then you want to test it, make sure the new battery works. It locks. Whoops. So you can see it locks. It unlocks. Lock it again. It works. I had to replace this battery on my 2018 Chevy Camaro, so it's 2 years old. I had to replace this battery on the dash, which is kind of cool. On the dashboard, it told me to replace battery. So, and these are key fabs. You got push to start, so you don't want to, if it say replace battery, you don't want to keep driving on it until your battery completely dies, because I'm not even sure if the car will start. You may can call OnStar to get your car to start up until you can go and get a battery, but, or if you pay the service and you got the app, Chevy app, you can start your car with your cell phone from the app, as we all know. But I didn't want to take a chance, so I just went on and replaced the battery. I got the battery for like $6 at AutoZone, which is kind of expensive. If you can find it somewhere cheaper, I suggest it. But I didn't want to be somewhere and my key fab was dead, so I went on to replace the battery. I just wanted to show that quick video on how to do it. You take the key out from the bottom, and this little open slot right there, it's kind of hard to see, but that open slot right there, I just stuck a little real small screwdriver, pry it up until it popped open. And I showed you how the inside of it looks. So this is just a video, quick video on battery replacement in case nobody knows how to do it, or if you're a female and you need to do it on your own, you don't need a guy for it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my videos.